So this is my follow-up day after installing the Yamaha OEM soft cab. Went for a 60-mile ride. Now it hasn't rained here in a month, so it's very dusty out. I don't know if Yamaha does any wind tunnel testing, but with this soft cab, I'm able to get up to speed like nothing. It's a lot more aerodynamic with it buttoned up. The other thing is there's no wind buffeting, and at 60 miles an hour, the cab is solid. There's very little flapping, at least the way I have it installed. You notice I got zero dust here. Not even micro dust. I go to the side. Look at the cab. It's nearly dust free. You might see you have some micro dust on the outside of the door. The inside dust is nearly eliminated. I go to the back here. Most of the dust, it's below cab level. This, my mesh screen, normally that would be super caked with dust, but it barely has any dust on it. So I'm really impressed with this cab. It keeps the dust down to a minimum. Plus, it makes it more air. On the X4, that you could tell the cab added drag to the vehicle. Let's see the back here. You got some dust in the back, and I suspect that's from the doors not being sealed and my back being open. But for a day's ride, this is very minimal. Got a small layer of dust there. Even my center window, that thing, it doesn't have any dust on it. So all the dust is really kept below cab level. So I think I'm curious to see if other guys with a soft cab get the same results, both in dust and high speed running. If you feel it doesn't fight the wind as hard going at higher speeds.